I'm doing today Sunday roast, brown stewed pork with mushrooms. It's Sunday dinner today, so you wanna try this one? Give it a go. Loads and loads of stuff. Brown your pork, make up your sauce. So you're doing some brown stew with your seasoning, your scallion, your thyme, your tomato, and this one is mushroom because I love mushroom, so I'm using up a lot of mushroom in it. So this is just some pork chops and mushrooms. So brown stew and mushrooms. Dinner. Okay. So brown it off with your seasoning, your garlic, your tomato, your onion, your scallion, your turmeric, your garlic, and then just make up some, get some browning, make up some sauce with the mushroom, plenty mushroom. Let that cook down for dinner later. So that's your brown stew, pork ribs, pork chops, and mushrooms for dinner.